स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे एक लेटेस्ट न्यूज़। आप लोगों ने देखा सीपीआई इन्फ्लेशन रेज टू 0.71% इन नवंबर, और सीपीआई इन्फ्लेशन रेज टू 0.71% इन नवंबर, फूड इन्फ्लेशन बिलो जीरो फॉर सिक्स्थ स्ट्राइट मंथ। और core CPI inflation was broadly steady at 4.4% in November, primarily due to gold and silver inflation hitting new all-time high. India headline retail inflation rate based on the Consumer Price Index (CPI) rose slightly in November to 0.71% from October record low of 0.2%. Data released 0.2% data released on Friday by the Ministry of Statistics and Programs Inflation (MOSP) show inflation was dragged higher by an unfavorable base effect, which was particularly strong for food items. Despite it, the unfavorable base food prices were down or a year-on-year. This number of by 3.91% in October. Food prices were down by a large 5.02%. The marginal uptick in retail inflation was on account of decline in food deflation, said Paras Jasrai Economics and Indian Rating Research. The deflationary trend in food items was led by strong deflation in vegetables and pulses and products. Even the Keral's inflation record a 50-month low level of 0.1% in November, helped by favorable tariff showing recession. Jasrai added, deflation referred to inflation being below zero or in the negative territory, implying that prices month are lower compared to the same month last year. At 0.7%, the latest headline inflation print along expected lines and below the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) medium-term target of 4% from the 10th money row. The number is also below the lower bound of the central bank's fixable inflation targeting range 2.6% for the third straight of month.